Hello, my name is Gary Feldman, and I'm the president of iBusiness Network. We were one of the first companies authorized and delivering business management software to small and medium-sized companies over the internet. Now known as cloud computing, we've been helping customers transform their businesses for over 18 years using technology to create a competitive advantage. Today I want to present the launch of IBN Cloud 3.0. Our first cloud can better be characterized as hosting, as we put servers in a data center and delivered those applications over the internet. IBN Cloud 2.0 introduced virtualization, which increased scalability and reliability. And that was about 10 years ago. Now we're introducing Cloud 3.0, which is a brand new cloud built for outsourcing of technology for the 21st century small and mid-sized enterprise, looking at technology as a tool to grow and optimize their business. If you could start your company from scratch today, would it look the way your company does now? How often do you get the opportunity to build a cloud from scratch, designed specifically for hosting business management softwares for small to mid-sized companies, using the latest technology like in-memory computing, designed to be ahead of the curve based upon today's trends in technology? Over the past few months, this is exactly what IBN has been doing. We took research from the leading advisors to the technology industry, like Constellation Research, 451 Research, Gartner Group, and we took that information to decide how we should build our cloud. A changing technology landscape is not new, and for many former disruptive technologies like cloud computing, these are now considered mainstream technology. So when we looked at redesigning our cloud, we utilized tools like this Astro chart and the other researchers to say, what will customers want from a cloud? And some of the easily identifiable technologies we could provide include single sign-on. At IBN Cloud 3.0, we can provide your users access using a single sign-on which can work on-premise along with our IBN Cloud and Office 365. And of course, we wanted to build our next generation on in-memory computing and other great technologies like the SAP HANA platform so that we could give you the data insight and the analytics that you would want to better manage your business. So we started with brand new technology and brand new infrastructure, and we partnered with NEC specifically because they have this great new N-block technology where we get all of our infrastructure from one company. And this company has enterprise class equipment, stuff that's being run by the Fortune 500 company, all working in a completely integrated manner to provide reliability of performance, one of the hallmarks for any cloud. Then we decided to partner with their partner, Iron Mountain Technologies. And Iron Mountain is known for data storage for generations, and now they've become a really big data center provider, providing some of the most secure facilities in the world. So together with Iron Mountain and NEC, we built this new platform, and we've now incorporated some of the additional services that a company like Iron Mountain can provide. Like, in addition to our backup and data replication that we do across our data center technologies, we can also offer the Iron Cloud backup, or we can offer Iron Mountain's software and escrow service to provide an additional layer of security. And then we've always built what was considered an application-defined cloud. And what I mean by that is we build the applications, we build our cloud specifically for the applications in which we host. And using, in this particular case, SAP Business One powered by HANA, we wanted to make sure that we used HANA certified equipment in a HANA certified hosting center, and us ourselves, iBusiness Network, are certified in hosting for SAP Business One. Then we took that and we layered on top of that our 18 years of application hosting experience and some of the great tools that we've used from Citrix, like their NetScaler, to provide a greater level of security, because NetScaler is not only a web accelerator to make our hosting facility faster, but it also acts as a proxy server and helps do that single sign-on. In addition, it has more security features to prevent SQL injection scripts, which I might be getting a little bit technical here, but let's just leave it at another layer of security. And then in our new cloud, we're using software-defined networking, so we can do what is called micro-segmentation. So because we not only provide hosting for customers directly, we provide through the leading ERP resellers for Sage, SAP, Microsoft, and others, and they need to manage their customers' experience. So we put in these micro-segmentations so that basically a customer can only see a customer, a partner can only see their customers, and then even further, that our computers have been broken down into smaller segments so we can do things like security patching at a type of server level in an automated manner. New features that aren't available in a lot of clouds. And that's because today's biggest threat is cybersecurity. And although most of these tools were already in place at our current QTS and Dell-based cloud, which is still a great infrastructure and will be used for a lot of applications where that is the optimal hardware and great data center, it will be tied into our Iron Mountain facility, so we can also offer Iron Mountain Cloud and Iron Mountain Escrow services to those customers as well. So we amplified our security with a new chief technology officer that we hired specifically to build out this infrastructure and take us to the next level, because the ever-increasing threat from cybersecurity is real, and the bigger we get, the bigger a target we become. The largest data centers have been attacked the most, and now that we have finally reached a certain level, we needed to up our game, and Cloud 3.0 is ready to respond. So this white sheet of paper was an opportunity for us to build the new environment clean and as secure as anyone out there. Now, we've also made it easier to use for you, our customers. So not only do you have that single sign-on, but we've done a lot with the Office 365 architecture, so that this way we can package it with a lot of our ERP solutions. We've always maintained flexibility in our hosting services, one of our hallmarks, but now more and more we're seeing the call for fully outsourced desktops, so that your workers can be either using a tablet or a thin client that has no real computing power at their desk, or a Google Chromebook, or any application device that you want. We've added print anywhere solutions so that you could be out in the field taking a sales order and print to a printer in your office or in your warehouse for fulfillment, or if you have a manufacturing facility, enter the order in the sales office and print the instructions directly to your manufacturing facility. All sorts of additional capabilities, and for our largest customers, we can even delegate that all of the management tools which we use internally, like this password tool that you see on the screen, so that your IT department can manage it yourself. So our first and most urgent tool was this password self-service, because customers want that ability to change, unlock passwords, just as if they were working in a banking type of environment. So we've added all of that into this new cloud so it would be easier for you to use. We know you have choices out there, and we want to be your partner of choice, where we not only provide you the pay for consumption model of the cloud, that you only pay for what you use, but that we don't over provision servers. So it's not like the old AOL dial-up days where they could sign up 100,000 customers to use 10,000 customers worth of equipment. We don't do any of that some of the public clouds do. We have high availability, so your applications are running on multiple servers simultaneously. We not only provide support to our partners, we provide support to our customers through our partners or direct to our customers, depending upon how you contract with us. We're certified in hosting, and there are very few publishers who actually go through the process of checking our support procedures, making sure that our systems are in place to make sure that you as the end customer get the experience that you expect from your hosting provider. And because we're not only experts in all the virtualization and hosting technology, we're experts in the applications as well. So we can provide that superior service that you need to be sure that your business management system is up and running and as easy to use as possible. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in IBN Cloud 3.0.